The next episode of Adventure Archives is coming soon, and you can watch the early release of it at patreon.com/adventure. Join us as we return to one of our favorite places on Earth, Grayson Highlands, where you can find stunning mountain scenery, calm, spacious meadows, and of course, wild ponies. And this time, we're exploring it in the height of spring. This was a trip chock full of amazing times. So what are you waiting for? Join our Patreon community, watch the episode right now, and come along with us on this journey. Either way, thank you so much for your support, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.